a snapshot. Object X symmetry. Huh. Okay, maybe it's too much. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the symmetry. Press R, make sure that I can cycle between W and R so that the scale is centered again. No symmetry. I'm gonna push it back like that. Yeah, okay, that's good. This one, I'm gonna double tap, press R, and I'm gonna pull it back too. So this is this is double tap, press R, and bring it back. Yeah, there. Alright, perfect. I'm gonna turn on symmetry back on, Object X, right click vertex mode, and then okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna grab this first. Top view. Object X symmetry is on. Merge vertices. Target weld tool. So again, let's shift right click and hold. Merge vertices. Right, merge vertices. Then turn on target weld tool. I already have this selected. I'm gonna hover over it. I'm gonna left click on it. I'm gonna drag it to there. Bam. I'm gonna grab this, hover over it till it turns blue. Left click on it, drag it. Bam. This one, click on it, drag it, boom. This one, click on it, drag it, boom. There we go. That's how I got good. Here, same thing. Click and snap. Click, snap. Click, snap. Click, snap. Nice. Alright. Press W to get out. Right click. Object mode. Kick it out. Press 3. Alt 5. Alright. Clean. Very nice. Select it, delete history, Control Shift S, see it as 15, press enter. This is starting to annoy me. It's not anything wrong. I'll just select it, mesh display, soften harden edges, option box, Control Shift left click, click on it, apply, close it. Go here, maybe set to 40. Maybe set to 50. Alright, 50. All this is just faking the shading to make it look softer. That's all it is. Alright, good. Control Shift S, save it as 16, enter. Alright, so that was a lot done. I wanna what else I wanna do? Press 3. Very nice, very nice. Alt 5. Right click edge mode, double tap on that edge. Shift right click and hold extrude edge. Offset. Yeah, offset. Something like that. And there you have it. That's the one right here. Right? Isn't that it? Yeah. Yep. Okay. Offset. I'm gonna drag it in some more up to here. Maybe here. Click outside. Object mode. Control Shift S. See, that's 17. Select that, right click edge mode, double tap that edge, press R, get out of symmetry, press W, press R again. This here, I'm going to just pull it back using this center scale, double tap that, and center scale, pull. Basically I want to make room between here, like here. Object mode. Okay. So now, basically I need to make this. I need to make this and this. Yeah. Because this edge loop is gonna go here and it's gonna connect to here. So alright. Shift right click and hold, insert edge loop. Object X. Around here. I'm gonna click on this little hammer. You know what? I'm gonna undo this. Just pressing Z and I'll close this. Select it again. Shift right click and hold. Insert edge loop option box, insert with edge flow, relative distance, nope. I forget it. Object X. There. Then this one, that, I'm gonna click on this edge, somewhere around there. Something like that. Nice. Then press W, right click, vertex mode. I'm in my top view. I'm gonna do, some of these really annoy me. That, I believe is, oh god. So I have object X selected. Now I'm gonna also turn on object Z. Nice. So I grab both. So again, I have object X on. I'm gonna select this. So grab that for me. Also now I'm gonna choose object Z. Now it's gonna grab from behind. Alright, good. So I got this, and this. Press W. I'm gonna just pull on the red arrow. Nope, maybe not. Press R for scale, and I'm gonna pull on the red cube. Nice. I'm gonna grab this. Okay, I'm gonna grab this one right here. I have object Z. I'm gonna turn to object X. There. Press. Okay. I can use the W move tool and just pull on it. There. Alright. I'm gonna grab top, I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna turn on object Z. Do some cleanup. Press R for scale tool. So I got that, and that. Pull on that. Good. Grab that. Turn on object X. Pull on this. Okay, no, maybe not. Press W instead. Just pull it. There. Nice, perfectly clean. Sweet. Object mode like that. Delete history. Control Shift S. 18. Good. Boom, boom, boom. Over here, Shift right click and hold, insert edge loop. Any one of these, click. Right on there. Boom, boom. Then here, just gonna eyeball it. Click. Okay, eyeball it, good. Press W, get out. Here, vertex mode. Let's clean up some of this crap. Edge mode. And grab I'll pull it. This. I have object X on. There. Control Shift S, save as 19. Okay. Grab this and this. Shift right click and hold. Combine. It also made this leftover garbage. So with this selected, delete history. Gets rid of it. So it's clean. Don't have to worry about the file getting corrupt. Edge mode. This, press Q, hides it. Shift select that. Press 4. Think maybe I can do object Z symmetry. Maybe it might work. Shift right click and hold. Bridge. Alright, it works. Nice, nice. Grab this, grab that. Now maybe I'll also turn on object X, because before it was on object Z. Grabs the other side as well, so I get double the work done. Shift right click and hold. Bridge. Shit. Forget it. Grab this and this. Just those. Shift right click and hold bridge. Alright, good. Grab this and this. Shift right click and hold. Bridge. Nice. Grab this. Shift select that. Shift right click and hold. Bridge. Grab this and this. Shift right click and hold. Bridge. This and this. If I press G as in George, it repeats the last command. Grab this and this. Press G as in George. Grab this and that. Press G as in George. Grab this and that. Press G as in George. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. Delete history. Perfect. Freaking perfect. Perfectly clean. Definitely worthy of a demo reel. Alright. Shift right click and hold. Insert edge loop. Drop one down here, click, and right around here. Not tight like that, more like here. Press W, press 3. Object mode. There you go. Control Shift S. 20. Grab this, face mode. Gonna have to go in here, face mode, drag and select only these UV editor, which is UV editor. This I'm not worried about. This here, and I'm gonna just deselect in the UV editor. I'm gonna grab all of this, which is gonna be just this, and I'm gonna go create planar option box. I wanted to blast a projection from like top down, shooting down. It's gonna pick up all of this. Y is top down, up and down. Turn this on, these two, this, I guess this, and especially that. Hit apply, close, press F, dumped it over there, move it, press W, right click UV shell, select it, right click and hold edge mode. Let's see where that is. That's over here, way over here. Press D as in David, hold V as in Victor, snap it there, press W. Okay, so that's that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one. Right click, UV shell. Okay, so this and this lines up. Press D as in David again, hold V as in Victor, snap it there, press W, press R, press W and hold V as in Victor again, and just snap it there, press R, pull from this one. Perfect. Edge mode. Drag select like that, hold shift, drag select, hold shift, drag select, hold shift, drag select, hold. Okay, that's with the object X turned on. Shift right click and hold, move and so. Damn it! Turning this thing, oh, it's upside down. UV shell, grab that. Transform. Flip, is it flip this one or is it U? Yeah, it should be U and flip. Okay, good. Edge mode. No, wait. That one. UV shell. Move it away. Edge mode. Uncheck that. You know what? I'm gonna turn this shit off. Okay, yeah, so it is good. So, yeah, matches. So that's good. If I select this, shift select here, holding shift and double tap, shift right click and hold, move and so, nice. Alright, I'm done. Forget this. This is a lot done already. Control Shift S. 21, enter. And then hopefully if I have time, I'll make the inner shell. And this thing is pretty much a lot done. Delete history. Boom. Alright, Control S to save it. Bye bye.